Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Donut Baking Pan is probably one of the most versatile and fun kitchen tools you can add to your arsenal, allowing you to effortlessly create perfectly shaped donuts, bagels, and even savory snacks right in your own home. Imagine the joy of presenting beautifully baked treats that are not only delicious but also visually appealing, making every breakfast, brunch, or dessert a special occasion with minimal fuss and maximum enjoyment. This pan transforms ordinary baking into an extraordinary experience, bringing smiles to faces young and old with its simple yet effective design. Number 5. Bellemain Premier Donut Pan. Introducing the Bellemain Premier Donut Pan, crafted from premium steel for lasting durability. It's designed to help you create perfect cake donuts and bagels every single time. Featuring a superior non-stick coating, this pan makes baking a breeze and cleanup even easier. It's an essential addition to any kitchen. With its versatile 6-donut mold design, it's perfect for all your baking creations, from classic donuts to delicious bagels. Simple hand wash care ensures it's always ready for your next bake. Measuring 12.5 by 8.5 inches and 3 inches deep, it offers ample space for creating generous, delicious treats. Its sturdy construction makes it a reliable baking companion. Enhance your baking with this high-quality donut pan, designed for effortless performance and consistent results. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced bakers. Say goodbye to sticky messes and uneven baking. This non-stick donut pan ensures easy release and uniform baking for professional quality treats without the hassle. What we like. Crafted from premium steel, this pan ensures durability and perfect results every time. Its non-stick coating makes baking and cleanup a breeze. If you're looking for a reliable pan for classic donuts and bagels, this is a great choice. What people say. I lightly buttered the molds and the donuts slid out easily and only took 10 minutes to bake. The molds are for standard size donuts at about 1.5-2 thick. The pans are heavy duty, doesn't warp during baking, and easy to use. My donuts came out perfect both times, no sticking, and the pans were easy to clean, dry, and store. They are non-stick and easy to wash. Great value. Number 4. HUAKENER 6-Cavity Mini Fluted Cake Pan. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, this baking mold is BPA-free and eco-friendly. It's safe for use in your microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher, with a temperature range of -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for creating a variety of treats, from cupcakes and muffins to brownies and mini cheesecakes. It's also ideal for individual desserts and festive holiday cakes. Featuring a non-stick surface, this mold ensures easy release of your baked goods and simple cleanup. Its high toughness means it won't easily deform and can be reused for a long time. The 6-cavity design allows you to bake multiple mini cakes simultaneously. This means less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Making desserts by hand is a healthy and thoughtful way to show you care. This silicone mold is a wonderful assistant for creating delicious food and makes a great gift for loved ones. What we like. Made from high-quality, food-grade silicone, this mold is safe for use in the microwave, oven, and dishwasher. It's perfect for making a variety of mini desserts. If you prioritize safety and convenience, especially for smaller treats, this is the one for you. What people say. The silicone makes it easier to remove baked items without a lot of sticking, and the pans are flexible and easy to clean. They bake about half the time of a full-sized bundt cake, and you need to fill them pretty much all the way full to get the perfect swirl shape. These silicone molds release their contents very easily and are easy to clean. I love the hole that is left in the middle of the cake to stuff with glazed berries or pudding or pie filling. Number 3. HUAKENER 2 PCS Mini Fluted Cake Pan Set. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free silicone, this baking mold is both eco-friendly and safe for your family. It's designed for convenience, being microwave, oven, refrigerator, and dishwasher safe. Explore your creativity with 3 unique fluted designs: flowers, spirals, and towers. These molds are perfect for creating detailed and delicious cupcakes, muffins, brownies, and more. Experience superior baking with our upgraded, thicker silicone mold. Its high toughness ensures long-lasting use, while the non-stick surface guarantees easy release and effortless cleaning. This set includes 2 charming mini fluted cake pans, one in pink and one in baby green. Each pan features 6 individual cavities, perfect for making mini treats. Making desserts by hand is a healthy and heartfelt way to show you care. This silicone mold is your perfect partner for creating delightful treats to share with loved ones. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This versatile silicone mold is an excellent choice for friends and family who love to bake and create in the kitchen. What we like? This silicone mold features 3 unique shapes, flowers, spirals, and towers, adding a decorative touch to your baked goods. It's thicker and more durable than ordinary molds. If you love adding creative flair to your desserts and want a mold that lasts, consider this option. What people say. The donuts come out perfectly shaped and easy to remove. These pans are non-stick and clean up easily. The silicone material is flexible and durable, making it easy to handle and store. Number 2. CHEFMADE 12-Cavity Donut Pan. Introducing the CHEFMADE 12-Cavity Donut Pan, designed for standard oven sizes. Each cavity is perfectly sized for ideal baking results. Crafted with a food-grade, non-stick coating that's PTFE and PFOA-free. This ensures your baked goods slide out effortlessly, requiring less oil and baking time. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, this pan makes creating delicious treats simple. Elevate your baking and impress your family and friends. Cleaning up is a breeze. Hand wash is recommended, and a quick dry in the oven ensures it's ready for your next baking adventure. We're confident you'll love its simple design and versatility. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our 365-day service and prompt 24-hour response to any concerns. What we like? This donut pan boasts a PTFE and PFOA-free non-stick coating for effortless food release and less oil. With 12 cavities, it's ideal for baking for family gatherings or parties. If you're a beginner baker or want to make a larger batch of donuts easily, this pan is a fantastic pick. What people say. Love the small size fur donuts. Pans arrived packaged well. Easy to use and great for mini cake donuts. Great pan, the donuts just slipped out, easy to wash. Number 1. Wilton 6-Cavity Donut Baking Pan. Introducing the Wilton 6-Cavity Donut Baking Pan. This versatile pan lets you create delicious, full-size donuts right in your own oven. Each of the 6 cavities is perfectly sized for donuts, but you can also use it for mini cakes, cupcakes, or other delightful desserts. Crafted from sturdy steel with a non-stick finish, this pan makes baking and cleanup a breeze. Your treats will slide right out, ready for decorating. Enjoy healthier, baked donuts anytime you like, instead of fried ones. It's perfect for baking treats for yourself or sharing with loved ones. Achieve perfect results every time. Its premium non-stick coating ensures ideal and regular heat distribution for evenly baked goods. Cleaning is simple. Wash it in warm, soapy water or simply place it in the dishwasher. Please note, it's not suitable for toaster ovens or microwaves. What we like? This pan creates individual, full-size donuts that are baked, not fried, offering a healthier treat option. It's made from sturdy, non-stick steel and is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. If you want to enjoy delicious, healthier donuts at home and appreciate the convenience of a dishwasher-safe pan, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Donuts slip out easily, no problem. Nice weight on the pans and easy to clean. It's very easy to clean, the size makes perfect donuts. The pan is very sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.